is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a band of gypsies, we go down the highway.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Morning. It's September 3rd. And it's Blue's birthday. Woo-hoo!
Happy birthday, Blue.
Absolutely. 3 years that we've had Blue.
How many miles?
Oh, a deer right in front of us. The deer was just under the thing. And just under 25,500 miles. We'll probably hit that today. So in 3 years we put over 25,000 miles on Blue. Two. Two. We have to take Blue for its birthday ride. Can I sing?
No.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday to you.
Keep going.
Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Blue, to happy birthday to you.
Yeah. Oh, about a week, maybe 2 weeks ago, a truck was coming down this hill into East Brady, and he didn't make this corner. And he went straight.
Right on Kelly's Way.
He went straight right into the Allegheny. Oh, I guess they're putting
Yeah, rocks up.
rocks up.
Turn left on Clarion Street.
Yeah, right in Bush. So this is East Brady. A very small town.
Continue on Clarion Street.
Here we go. Here's the Allegheny. We're going over the bridge. All right.
Almost empty.
Yep. Not too many,
Campers.
yeah, there we go. That's the word I was looking for. I was going to say tourists, but there's no tourists that come down here.
You don't know that.
That's true. Whee! And it is a nice squiggly road, as you can tell. Well, this is a part of Butler we've never been through.
A butt. Beep. Butler. Butler pet cremation. Isn't that sweet?
We got a fancy church here.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Okay. We're at the junction of 8.
Ooh, that hurt.
Sorry, babe.
My innards just hit my hips. Oh.
After driving a little bit further, we have been through this area. Don't know where we were going, but we've been through this part of town. Okay, we stopped at Gabe's.
Wrong.
On the bike, mistake. So, of course, I had to bungee one of our pieces on the front of Blue. I hope it stays. It should. It feels pretty good. Let's see what happens. And the other stuff is packed in the bike.
Okay.
We have room for that.
Clothes. That's all it was clothes.
Except for a
Yeah.
Halloween decoration. That was a fun store.
Absolutely.
You've seen how we had to strap it on. Oh.
Thought something was rubbing.
You've seen how we have to strap it onto the Blue. So far, so good. Have to keep checking it. But it doesn't look like it's moving. We're in good shape. All right. Home, sweet home we go. He's ready. Here's the Allegheny.
Again.
Again. Right outside of town, about 5 miles out. This doesn't get old here, I'm sorry.
Nope.
It's just so nice. It was a beautiful day riding on Blue's birthday.
Yeah, I think we were in coats last year.
I don't know. You have to look back and check that out. It is a nice day today. I got 82 on the bike. Enjoying the weather. So thanks for coming along. And we hit our subscribers. We still haven't made it to 200. We hit 200 and we lost it. Back to 199. That was this morning. So come on, for Blue's birthday, let's try. Let's get a half a dozen subscribers for Blue's birthday. That's his birthday present. And leave a comment, share, like, hit that bell, hit the notification bell. So you don't miss any of the new videos that I posted. You want you to be notified because 2025 fall foliage rides are coming up in a few weeks. You don't want to miss them. Home, sweet home. And thanks for coming for a ride on Blue's birthday. And we appreciate all our viewers.
Keep them coming.
Absolutely. Uh-oh. One of our things fell. Okay.
It broke.
It broke.